best-in-class comfort. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Ford Clark, 2026 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4. Yung price, 2,343,000 pesos. Okay naman yung design ng front fascia. Wala siyang chrome accent. Naka-matrix LED headlights with DRL. LED rin yung fog light. May front camera for 360 view. May front skid plate or bash plate na plastic. Dark gray color yung side mirror cover. May camera for 360 view. Equipped din to ng blind spot information system. 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Wala na rin yung label dito na turbo. Mataas na rin yung ground clearance. Equipped din to ng smart keyless entry system. Check natin yung interior. Maganda yung size ng side stepboard. Hindi siya mahirap tapakan. Black leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft leather. Padded leather naman yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Electric power assisted na to, kaya expect nyo na magaan. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Digital instrument cluster, pero hindi pa siya full screen. May fuel and temperature gauge sa side. Push start ignition. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita pa rin yung hood. Yung dashboard, hard plastic. Pero yung part na to, soft touch. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 12-inch infotainment system. May volume knob. Dual zone climate control. May wireless charging pad. 2 USB port. 10-speed automatic transmission. Naka-electronic parking brake. Tinanggal na tong parking assist. Wala na siyang function. Display na lang siya. 4-wheel drive control. Padded leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Malaki rin yung storage space. May 12-volt socket din. Hindi nga lang dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. May cup holder din sa baba ng AC vent. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Black leather seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Padded leather armrest. Power window switch. May grab handle sa B-pillar. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Maluwag na rin yung knee room. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, mataas din yung hump. Hindi ko lang masyado gusto yung seating position dito sa middle seat. Kasi ang lapad nitong center hump. May rear AC vent, 2 USB port at 230-volt socket. Yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa. Medyo upright lang yung seating position para sa akin. Hindi naman siya 90 degrees, pero ramdam mo yung perpendicular position. Check natin yung track bed. Maganda yung design ng fashion bar. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, metal yung railing niya. Okay din yung design ng tailgate. Modern yung dating. LED yung taillight. May reverse camera, parking sensor, equipped to ng tailgate lift assist, kaya expect nyo na magaan. Malaki yung space ng truck bed. May 230-volt socket. Check natin yung spare tire. Naka-steel wheel. Mas okay siguro kung alloy wheel, kasi nasa 2M price range na rin to. Pagdating sa suspension, naka-lip spring to. Natry ko na tong Wildtrak 4x4. Maganda nga yung ride comfort, kahit na naka-lip spring. Check natin yung engine bay. 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine. Kung tama yung naalala ko, maganda yung throttle response. Malakas din yung hatak ng acceleration. Masasabi ko na matulin tong bi-turbo. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.